April 21st, year 2018. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear daughters, good morning, my daughters. Thank you for spending time with me this morning. There is much I long to share with you. As seekers of truth, you must be willing to rise above that which creates barriers to your own higher consciousness. That which you seemingly had patience with before will be that which you are no longer tolerant of. I have asked you to define tolerate. Webster defines tolerate as to accept the feelings, behaviors, or beliefs of someone. Additionally, tolerant means showing a willingness to allow the existence of opinions of behavior that one does not necessarily agree with. While patience is a virtue, it is a wise person who understands patience is not the same as tolerant. When one subjects themselves to that which creates dis-ease within, they often confuse tolerance with patience. Webster defines patience as to have patience with a slow learner. While patience is a fruit of my spirit, one must recognize there's a fine line between patience and that which one tolerates. When you begin to understand what is entailed in exercising one's higher consciousness, you will become increasingly aware of that which you are no longer willing to tolerate. This, in the beginning, can be a source of great frustration. You begin to understand that which you are no longer willing to tolerate creates barriers to your own higher self, as it negatively impacts your soulful development. Do not judge yourselves harshly, as these feelings emerge, as it is necessary in order for you to move forward in your own personal lessons. At this point in your development, each of you must be honest about your own feelings. When you acknowledge that which you are feeling, only then can you release the negative energy that creates barriers to what my spirit is trying to impart. When you feel as though your own light is not able to shine, you must understand what is required to rise above that which muddles the mind. You must replace every conscious thought with that which is of your higher self. This is not automatically accomplished, as one must be mindful of that which does not exercise your higher consciousness. When you ask for assistance from the spiritual plane, this is when your energy will increase. You are thinking of the kingdom within. Open your hearts and minds, and they will expand. Be patient with yourselves, as you are not slow learners. Time is not relevant in my kingdom. You must slow down and reflect on that which you are each learning and the subsequent feelings as a result. You must take time to review and mull over those feelings which are now being generated as you become increasingly aware of that which is a result of your heightened awareness. Do not turn away from that which you are confronted with. Rather, embrace this as an integral part of your own lesson plan. As in all lessons, you will move past this. Embrace what you are learning, and when you do, you will remove the barriers to your higher consciousness.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 156 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.